Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Frontier 620. And right now we're currently standing in downtown Highland Park, Illinois. And here, in front of us, is a North Shore building. Now wait till you see what they have inside, because they're definitely in for a treat. I wonder what that surprise could be. Let's go find out. Yep, guys, that's right. Apparently they have a gated elevator here. And it's a Reliance from 1963. Look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing, or what? So with that said, let's call it. And here it is. Oh wow. Also, instead of having a manual gate, it has an automatic gate, which I believe is a scissor gate, but that's another reason why the ride will be worth it. So let's get in the elevator. Let's shut the door. As you can see, it is a Reliance elevator. Here's your COP right here. The Reliance logo. So, that being said, let's take this up to 3 and let the action begin. So here we're up at 3. Wow, it's a pretty smooth ride. Despite it being a little bouncy. Not sure the humming noise is. I hear something leaking too. But anyways, go down to 1. Here down at 1. Now, I wish I had a wide angle lens on this camera so I can show you the cab better, but that doesn't appear to be the case. So while we're down here, we get a cab view of this elevator. Wow. It's just amazing to find it in its original condition like this. Especially with an automatic gate instead of a manual gate. So there's the gate. Here's the outer door with this huge clutch right here. Here's your inspection certificate if you want to pause to read. Here's your COP. As you notice, it's got C.G. Anderson buttons. And here's your phone. So now, we'll send this up to 2, and then we'll watch it leave. Okay, maybe you can only select it 4 when you're in the elevator with the gate closed. And with the outer door closed, of course. Yeah, I kind of thought the gate would shut automatically after I pushed the button for 2 and closed the outer door, but I guess it's not set up that way. But nonetheless, wow, that elevator is just amazing, guys. I mean, it's not often you get to see elevators like this nowadays. So, yeah. for your fire alarm fans here, you got some system sensor ceiling strobe, or ceiling horn strobe. Well, the smoke detector right there. It's a notifier unit. There's Big Brother right there. You also got a Firelight MS9600LS addressable fire alarm control panel. So this system has an addressable fire alarm system. And it also seems like this fire alarm system is monitored and maintained by a local security company called GATED Security Systems Incorporated. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.